Hey guys, welcome to the Vanity Mirror. Today's episode is my Stitch Fix unboxing. Well, what the heck is this? It is so small. I don't understand. It's usually much bigger than this, and there's no way you put sweaters in here and jeans. I'm very curious to see what is in this month's box. If you want to know what is in my tiny little Stitch Fix box, keep on watching. Okay, we're gonna start by opening this sucker up with this really cute box cutter. Here is the little envelope that always comes with every single box with the explanations of how much everything is. Plus, it always comes with this little cards that explain how you could wear everything that's in the box. Why don't we just go ahead and jump right in? The very first thing that I notice is this little box right here. Inside this box are some earrings. Oh, and they're really pretty. There are these earrings that are like, I don't even know how to explain this. How do you explain this? I'm gonna be really honest with you. They look like sticks. That's about the best way I can describe it. How classy am I? So they are these sticks. I don't know how else to describe these. They look like bones. They look like leg bones, but they're cute. And I would probably wear them. I will not be trying those on. I don't like trying on earrings unless I'm sure I'm gonna get them. So there's that. And those earrings are from the brand Gorjana or Gorjana. I'm not 100% sure. They're $45. Next we have this. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. Here is this next shirt here. It is so cute. I want to say it's either black or a dark navy blue, but I'm gonna be really honest with you, I cannot tell. But it has these little dots all over the place, these ruffles. It's definitely see-through, so you want to wear something underneath it. But I feel like this is something that I would absolutely wear to work, and that is something that I kind of wanted out of the box, was things I could wear to work that were a little bit outside of what I would ordinarily buy. And this is my style mixed with something I would never buy. So, because I wouldn't have thought of it for me. So this is like perfect and super cute. And by the way, I didn't even tell you guys. There will be a try-on at the end. I made that intro super short, but there will be a try-on at the end. The next thing in the box is a very loud shirt, which is something I would probably not wear. I don't know. So here is the next thing, and again, it is my style in the case of like the tank top, and the length is like great. I love this style of a shirt, but this is a very loud print for me. So, I don't know. We'll see how it looks on for sure. But first impression is like, I don't know. The print might not be for me. But the point of doing Stitch Fix was to like get outside of my comfort zone. So, I might as well give her a shot. Okay, next thing in the box is what looks like a blazer. Right here, it's a cloth blazer. So it's kind of a more business casual blazer, not so like really like business like, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? It is a really pretty like powder, almost like a powder blue, a little bit darker than that. And I really like these cuffs here. So that is gonna be really cute, and I have a feeling maybe this would look really good underneath that, and that was probably exactly what they were going for. I see what you did there. And the last thing in my box are some pants. They look really cute, and they are actually leggings. They're leggings, pants, and they are completely black, sleek. Those will be really cute. I will try them on with everything. I'm excited. I think there's a really cute full outfit to be had here. This is definitely a type of box that is outside of my comfort zone, but I'm excited to just show you guys everything that I got. So why don't we go ahead and do that, and then at the end I will give you a summary of how I felt about everything. Okay, so now that we're done trying everything on, I'm going to tell you a little bit of my thoughts on the products that I got. Let's start with the earrings. I kind of told you about it earlier. I would probably wear something like this, especially with some of the outfits that I had on in the video. I think they're cute. I'm not going to probably get them, but I do think they're really cute. And now the pants. So the pants, they were different for me, and they were actually quite small for me. So I might have to adjust something online to make sure my pants are fitting me. The winter. The winter is a dull time, and we all sit still. You know? The shirts. So the black one with the dots on it, I loved it. It was totally my style. I felt good in it. It felt very good. I loved that shirt. And I already know that's my style, so I knew I was going to like it when I tried it on, and I thought it looked really cute with the blazer also. It's something that I would probably consider getting. I don't know if I'm going to get it out of this box. I'm probably actually not going to get anything out of this box for several reasons. Not necessarily I didn't like the clothes. I already know that's my style of shirt, and if I want to go get something like that, I can. I really liked it. And then how about this shirt here that I'm wearing right now? This shirt I also really liked, actually. Again, totally my style of shirt, so I knew I would like it. The pattern is a little loud for what I usually do. Part of what Stitch Fix does is open my eyes to other possibilities. Like, this is something that I can do, and I would enjoy it, and I think I might try to step outside my comfort zone and get something like this sometime soon. The blazer. I actually really liked that casual style blazer, and it again opens my eyes to like some other kind of different clothing that I am not used to wearing, and it's something I would probably consider getting at some point. I didn't think the blazer looked good with this shirt because the collars didn't really match up very well, but that's not really a problem with the box. It just, when I tried it on that way, thinking that would work, it didn't, but that's okay. So overall, I really liked this month's box. I probably am not going to get anything, but if I was going to keep something, I'd probably either keep the blazer or this shirt that I'm wearing, because those were probably my two favorites. Well, you guys, that's it for my Stitch Fix in January 2018, my very first Stitch Fix box of January. Not my only one of January. My very first Stitch Fix box of 2018. Thank you guys so much for watching the Vanity Mirror. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button right down there below my video, and I will see you later. And don't forget to subscribe, because at 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. The very first feet. What? Very feet. The very feet. The very first Stitch Fix box.